I thought it might be worthwhile to talk about style and penmanship. I think one of the reasons people choose to learn Gregg shorthand over other styles like T-line or Pitman is the aesthetic. Gregg is a particularly beautiful shorthand. And then you look at your own handwriting and it doesn't quite measure up to the examples you've seen. So let's talk about some ways to improve your penmanship and style. In this example, you can see the same text written by two different people. Even the first line, "I suppose that very few," is written differently. One person made very few one phrase, and one left it as two words. Here are several examples of professional writers who all write in different styles. Some people write big, some people write small, some tight, some spaced out, but they all look beautiful. So how can we improve? Well, the obvious is practice. You've got to have good proportions, and there's no way around just building that muscle memory. Another thing is to not fight your natural style. Don't try to copy someone else's handwriting. If you naturally write big, write big. If you naturally write small and tight, write small and tight. There's no rule that says you need to fit a certain number of words on a page. If you try and fight your natural inclination, you won't be able to maintain it, and your writing will look inconsistent down the page. The next thing you can do that will massively improve the appearance of your handwriting is learn to join words and phrases. You could fully write out, "I have to go to the store." However, this looks a little choppy, and it doesn't take advantage of Gregg's ability to join words. So why don't we take a common phrase, "I have to go to the," and turn it into one joined stroke. The same can easily be done even at the beginning of your shorthand journey with small common words. To the, at the, for the. Let's join these for both speed and appearance. So if you wanted to write, "Go to the store at the corner for the food," you'll notice it looks nicer than a bunch of disjointed strokes on the page. These can look repetitive and even lead to confusion if they're not all perfect in proportion or shape. "I can go" becomes "I can go." "Go to the" can become "go to the." So to sum up, you can improve the appearance of your shorthand by practice, building up your fluency so that you don't have to stop in the middle of a word to think about how a stroke goes, embracing the natural tendencies of your own handwriting, and learning to join words into phrases. I hope this was helpful, and don't worry, I won't spoil this in case anyone wants a little reading practice, but if you ask in the comments, I'll tell you. Happy writing!